Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as the first video in 2019 on my channel, I decided to do some Ariana Grande God is a Woman inspired nails. To start off, I went ahead and did the base coat and just 2 coats of a white nail polish. The white polish was placed there just so the colors can be a little more vibrant. And for my middle nail, I'm just doing 2 coats of a lavender polish. For my ring nail, I'm just doing 2 coats of this baby pink polish. Finally, for the pinky, I am just doing 2 coats of a gold glitter polish. Now for the fun part, nail design time. So to start off, I am just taking this blue polish. It's a little old, a little gooey, so I'm going to be brushing the excess off on a piece of paper. This is called the dry brush technique. I'm pretty sure you've seen Cute Polish or Simply Nailogical use this method. But yeah, you want a little bit of polish on the brush, and you're just going to kind of, just swatch it on in random parts of the nail. I'm going to repeat this process, but this time using some lilac, some pink, and some white to fix up any mistakes I make on this design. So if you are watching this, I recommend to use some form of peel-off latex because as you can see, it flooded my cuticles, but nothing a little nail polish remover won't fix. And that completes it for this first design, and now moving on to the middle nail. So for the next nail design, it's actually very easy even if you are a beginner of nail art. It's very simple to do. All you need is a dotting tool, and if you don't have a dotting tool, you can always use a bobby pin. But yeah, just make sure that you have a smaller side and a bigger side. And we're just going to be dotting on some clouds on different parts of the nail. Since I am using acrylic paint and it dries very quickly, now I'm going to use the smaller part of the dotting tool and I'm going to go in there and dot on the white. The reason why the black was placed there initially is just so you can have a cleaner outline. In the event you need to fix up the outline, you can just use a toothpick and a little bit of black acrylic paint, and that completes it for this design. The next 2 designs, they're very simple and easy. So I found this pink polish, I guess you can say. It's like sheer and it has like little tiny purple glitters in there. Yeah, so I'm just going to go over it, over the pink nail, once or twice, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, for the pinky nail design, I really just wasn't feeling the gold by itself, so I'm going to go in with this Cute Polish X NCLA Gold Glitter. As you can see, it's my favorite because I'm almost out of it. But yeah, all I'm going to do is just glob it on. So you could just keep the 4 nail designs just like this, pretty simple, pretty easy. However, if you're new to my channel, I'm a little complex with my nail art. That being said, I'm going to jump back to my index nail design, and on the corner of my nail, I'm just going to take some dark green acrylic paint and just paint on a olive leaf branch, I guess you can say. This was inspired by Ariana Grande's cover-up that she has on her hand. Yeah, that officially completes it for the 4 nail designs that I've already done. I'm not going to modify anymore. And so now I'm going to jump on to the thumbnail design. So yeah, for my thumbnail design, basically I already know no one's really going to recreate it because you have to have really steady hands and it requires a lot of freehanding with a toothpick and a buttload of acrylic paint. Andale pues, but yeah, I'm just looking at a reference photo of the R emoji. And just by looking at this and taking different shades of acrylic paint, I'm going to paint that on my thumbnail. But yeah, this only took like 30 minutes to paint on. Totally worth it though. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think it kinda sorta looks like the well, I guess not. Oh well, at least I tried. So because I used acrylic paint, this whole nail design's pretty much dried pretty quickly, and I sealed all of them with a matte top coat. For the exception of the pinky, I sealed it with a shiny. But yeah, so that completes it for this manicure, and here are the finished nail designs. So let me know down in the comments what other Ariana Grande inspired nails you would like for me to do. I did enjoy painting on these designs, especially the thumbnail since it was a bit out of my comfort zone. Regardless, I hope you enjoyed today's video guys, and as always, thanks for watching!